Don't worry, Mr. Matthews. Tech Service assured me I'll be safe.
Welcome to Simply Fasting. I'm your host, Diamond Dave Wilk.
Whew, that's a workout. Give myself some water. Now people, don't try this at home. I'm a professional fasting wall jumper. Use caution and leave it up to the professionals. All right, I'm here to talk about Scotch-Mate reclosable fasteners. Scotch-Mate reclosable fasteners are used widely in the point-of-purchase marketplace as well as many others. Some of Scotch-Mate's features and advantages are 5,000 closures. Now the big differentiation is the adhesive. We have acrylic and rubber-based adhesives for outdoor applications, for plasticizer migration resistance, and also outdoor applications that require temperature or chemical resistance. Also, the rubber-based adhesive allows for quick stick and LC surface and substrate applications. We provide Scotch-Mate in multiple colors, black, beige, and white. However, if you do need custom colors, we certainly have those as well. In addition, we have flame resistance available for applications in transportation and aerospace. And the bottom line, Scotch-Mate is easy to engage for applications. As I mentioned earlier, Scotch-Mate comes in standard colors black, white, and beige. However, if you have an application where a custom color is desired, you can request that through a special order. Now we talked about ease of application, efficiency, reducing labor costs are very important in the trade show and exhibit industry. As you can see, Scotch-Mate reclosable fasteners are easy to apply on the exhibit trade show booth, which reduces the labor costs, also from applying it and reducing it. However, as we close, I do want to make a final point that our key differentiation with Scotch-Mate reclosable fasteners are adhesives. We have an acrylic adhesive for outdoor performance, a rubber-based adhesive for economical applications and low surface energy substrates, and also a plasticizer-resistant adhesive that resists plasticizer migration in vinyl. So with those applications, remind yourself that the key differentiation with Scotch-Mate is our adhesives. They're superior. It's a great alternative or value proposition for us in the Scotch-Mate line. As you can see, there are several applications for Scotch-Mate in the point-of-purchase and exhibit industry. I do want to highlight one application here for signage in this trade show booth. We have Scotch-Mate on the back of this sign. As you can see, Scotch-Mate grabs very quickly, and the sign is attached in a quick fashion. However, a challenge with the Scotch-Mate is making sure that you have the sign straight. One advantage of using dual lock in this particular application is you can slide the fastener into place and then lock it. Make sure that you get a good closed fastener and a straight sign. As you can see, we transitioned from Scotch-Mate to dual lock. There's 3 die-cut dual lock pieces on this sign. What we're going to do is align the sign to the top of the trade show booth here. Once you get it aligned, snap it into place. You can see the sign is straight and it provides the strength necessary to keep that sign up during the trade show. Now let's talk about features, advantages, and benefits of dual lock. Dual lock is 5 times the strength of a normal hook and loop fastener. You get 1,000 closures in its life. Also, it uses the VHB technology, which provides high strength in severe environments. I like to refer to dual lock as hook and loop on steroids. Where aesthetics are very important, dual lock low profile provides an alternative because it's very thin. It's about 1/3 of the size of normal dual lock when it's engaged. It's clear, so it takes on the background color of the substrate that you're sticking it to. And then finally, it has superior adhesives, where it'll stick to a wide variety of different substrates out in the marketplace. As you can see in the demo board, dual lock low profile is about 1/3 the thickness of normal dual lock. You should consider this application where aesthetics are very important. Now I'm going to talk about a gazillion applications, so have a seat, get your favorite beverage. We're going to be here all afternoon as I go through a million different applications that we can talk about. Just kidding. I'm just going to highlight a few applications that you consider when you're looking out there for applications at your key customers. A trend in the marketplace for exhibits are trim pieces that are used around the exterior of the exhibit trade show booth. Dual lock is used in this application or could be used because of the ease of application and also the shear strength that it provides. Another application that you could use dual lock, and some of you may be familiar with, is the toll transponder that's used in the windshield of cars. Great application because dual lock provides great shear and tensile strength. And finally, an application that you could use dual lock, which would be a tremendous application that you might see in the exhibit marketplace, is to hang literature racks on the sides of the trade show booths. Great benefit because it holds the literature in place and provides nice strength, and a great appearance because the dual lock is clear. To recap, Scotchmate's value proposition is our differentiation and our adhesive technology. We stick to a wide variety of substrates that can handle a number of different environmental applications. And remember, dual lock can handle those permanent yet removable applications. Thanks for your time today. Let's send it back to the studio.